Hello and welcome. This is Sean from GeoVision Technical Support. Today I will be introducing the newly released GeoVision Panoramic Series cameras, which are GV-PDR8800 and GV-PBL8800. Have you ever tried to take a photo using the panoramic feature on your phone? I believe most people do. The new GeoVision Panoramic Series cameras in security surveillance are similar. If you have never seen a panoramic camera in action, it's worth checking out this video. You might not have the Garden of the Gods sitting behind your facility, but you might be surprised by what you see with a panoramic camera. Okay, let's get started. So here are some benefits of using the GeoVision Panoramic Series cameras as part of your video surveillance system. From a cost efficiency standpoint, it helps you reduce the number of cameras. In large spaces, the applications for the GeoVision panoramic cameras are limitless. They can do the job of 3 or more cameras, which means fewer wires to run, fewer network switches to install, and ultimately less money out of your pocket. For example, in a warehouse, a panoramic camera could show you 8 or 10 rows instead of 2 or 3 rows of products in one shot. Or in a grocery store, a panoramic camera could show you all your end caps instead of 1 or 2 end caps. Another example is a parking lot. The GeoVision panoramic cameras could show you the whole parking lot instead of seeing one row of cars. Assume that you only have a few poles in your parking lot and can't put cameras in every place you want them to be. So why not use panoramic cameras to cover the areas that otherwise would not be reached? Another benefit of the GeoVision panoramic cameras is simply the incredible footage they capture. For example, as a person or vehicle moves, you can keep track of them in one frame instead of having to bounce between multiple cameras on a screen. This is more than just an issue of convenience. Sometimes vital footage could get lost in the blind spot between camera shots. Of course, you can install more cameras that overlap to make sure you don't miss any footage as an alternative. But in that case, you end up installing more cameras than you really need. In addition to the super wide coverage, GeoVision panoramic cameras also allow the users to observe the details. It can be achieved by using the digital zoom function. This allows you to focus on a specific section of the image and saves your time in finding the specific footage needed rather than having to hunt through a number of cameras and images, especially in large spaces. Now let's take a look at the hardware key features you might be interested in. The GeoVision Panoramic Series cameras are both outdoor rated and vandal-proof cameras, supporting IR up to 50 feet. In addition, the cameras also come with a built-in AI engine, which has been integrated into GVVMS 18.3 for AI video analytics. They also support SIP, standing for Session Initiation Protocol, which allows the users to integrate the camera's AI feature into intercoms or phones that support SIP. Last but not least, the PBL8800 gets a pigtail-free design, which makes it more flexible and efficient when it comes to installing the camera. You can just run the cable directly under the camera mount and plug it into the RJ45 port integrated into the camera's body. Now let's check out the video comparison between panoramic cameras and normal cameras. In this example, the field of view on the normal camera can cover about 15 meters of the wall in the background, whereas the panoramic camera can cover over 120 meters of the wall. And we can track the flow of a moving object without having to switch to another camera. And that's it for today's video. If you need more information, please make sure to check out our website or contact us by using the contact info on the screen. Thank you for watching.